A few weeks ago, I showed you how to use QuickTime to record your computer screen, but I know not everybody has a Mac. So in this week's video, I'm going to show you how to use Zoom. Welcome back to my channel, Paigon here. And in this week's video, I'm going to show you how to use Zoom to record your computer screen. Zoom is one of my favorite apps to use for meetings. I like to use it for discovery calls and coffee chats. I used to use Skype, but my clients would have problems using it on their phone. Okay, the first thing you have to do is download Zoom. It's free, but you need to have the application to use it. You can go to zoom.us. You'll see the sign up it's free button. And once you set up an account and download the app, you're ready to go. So after you sign in, you can start without video. You can start with or without video. If you need audio, then choose where you want the audio to come from, the computer or your mic. I'm going to use computer audio. Zoom will automatically start recording automatically, but if you turn off that option, then hit the record button. You see right here, it's recording automatically, so I don't have to push the record button. At the bottom of the screen in the middle, you'll see the share button. You have different share options to choose from, but I'm going to choose desktop. The other options are whiteboard, iPhone, iPad via AirPlay, iPhone, iPad via cable, and then the Zoom account that I have open. I think it'll also do your web applications too. Let's see. So now I have the option to share just Firefox or Safari, but I'm just going to choose desktop and then hit share. Once you finish recording your screen, you can end the meeting or end the recording. If you want to end it with the meeting, just end meeting and it'll stop the recording. Once that happens, the video will automatically start saving. Once it finishes saving, it'll automatically go to the folder where it's saved, and you see audio and then the MP4 version. So that's how you use Zoom for your computer screen. Do you use Zoom for meetings or to share your screen? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, hit subscribe for my latest videos. I upload videos every Thursday at 1:30 p.m. Central. Until next week, bye.